Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Mohsin Raza. In this lecture, we will see about how C programming language works in our system. So we will discuss in this video about how to run our program from basic to advanced level. So before this lecture, you should have to see my previous videos that how we install our IDE. IDE means Integrated Development Environment. We will work on Dev C++, which is the IDE of our C language. So here is the interface of Dev C++. Basically that's IDE which has include compiler in itself. You can see this environment has interface like you will see here nav bars as like file, edit, search, view, project, execute. We will discuss this during our programming one by one, but here you are seeing that that's a framework. In this framework we will see our text editor which can be opened by clicking on file, new and source file. Its shortcut is Ctrl plus N. So here we will start our program. Simply our syntax of C language include stdio.h. Our program starts with header file or link section. I have created my separated video on the syntax of C language in which I briefly describe that what is header file link section. So after the header file we enter main section. In main section after this we write our body of our program. So in the body of program we will work that how a program works, C language works. So here we simply enter output function which is printf. By printf we can output our functions, our program, our variable or anything. So here I will output that hello world. So for output we have to save our file in any file, any directory where you want. So I will save here first dot c. Basically dot c is the extension of C language. So after some time when you compile this you can see here is the output which we want to show that hello world. That's basically output which was written in printf function. So you see that in printf function we can write anything which we want to output to the user. Basically that was the simple program. You can enter multiple statements at a time. I will write here hello world. So here I will write Pakistan. So here is the output of hello world and Pakistan. But we are facing some problem that world and Pakistan have no space between. So there is no space between world and Pakistan. But here you can see that we print Pakistan on another line. So in C language we have to add escape sequence for new line. The escape sequence for new line is /n. /n means new line. So after that you can see hello world and Pakistan on separate lines because that we have to use escape sequence which is /n for our new line, for entering new line. So if you want to break the line you have to enter /n escape sequence. So at the end we discuss about compile, run. Basically that's working by compiling the code. So first we have to compile the code. We compile the code by this menu. This menu means compile. You can compile by this menu or F9, and after that we have to run. But we have an shortcut key to compile and run, that is F11. We input F11 to compile and run our program. So here you can see Pakistan and hello world are separated by simply /n. So today we discuss about simple program of C language which can print output to the user any statement or anything. Inshallah, tomorrow we will discuss about scanf function by which we can input or accept values from user, variables, variable declaration and variable initialization thoroughly. So take care. Fi amanillah. Allah Hafiz.